The objective of the current lesson is to learn how to create an investment budget. Through investment, we shall understand a capital allocation made with the purpose of gaining long-term assets, such as land, buildings, other types of constructions, production equipment, measurement equipment, trucks, furniture, computers, or computer software. The investment budget is a planning and monitoring instrument. Therefore, it must be built in the planning stages of the investment, and it should be updated throughout the implementation period. To build an investment budget, we need to know the required investment components: type, quantities, and technical specifications. Once the investment would be implemented, these components will create the infrastructure necessary for the operating cycle of the business. Therefore, the list of investment components and their characteristics can only be based on the detailed understanding of the planned operating cycle. The planning of the operating cycle is the subject for another lesson. You can use the internet to collect information, and you can even ask ChatGPT for sketches. However, it is essential to have knowledge in the field or to involve an expert with knowledge in the field. You need to process the data found on the internet or proposed by ChatGPT to get to a functional form. On the screen, you can see that ChatGPT was asked to structure the operating cycle for a business that produces fruit juice and to create relevant images. However, the information put out by ChatGPT is relatively raw. You need knowledge in the targeted field so that you would be able to lead ChatGPT through this process. The information must be carefully refined before getting to the final form. Once you plan the operating cycle, you can extract the investment components imposed by the future operating processes. You can open an Excel file and make a sketch of the investment. Continue by making a list of investment components in accordance with the sketch. You need to establish the measurement units and the quantities for each investment component. Then you need to find market prices for each investment component. You can start by a detailed search over the internet, but you should continue by asking for offers from suppliers. Add the prices into the list. To perform a feasibility analysis for a company that pays VAT, we will register the prices without VAT in the investment budget. We multiply the quantities and the prices to obtain the value for each investment component. The values of some investment components might be dependent of the values of others. This will be the case for different taxes and fees associated to construction works. In the end, we calculate the total. We include the offers and other sources of financial and technical information as appendixes.